Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to a brand new video. Always appreciate everybody taking time to watch our videos. It means a lot. So, end up getting this in. Pretty cool. These are barber halves. So, we're going to see what we got. Plus, we got some more 90% because that's kind of been my thing here lately. So, I'll see you in just a second. Okay, so welcome back everybody. So this was one that I opened a little bit earlier. I wasn't even going to show it. I don't always record everything I get, but I thought it may be cool because I ended up getting this for a really good price. Unfortunately, I only had a little bit of money at the time, so I could only pick up one in a row. But you usually don't see barbers under 200 bucks a row, and then I'm getting these for about $1.80, which it's not the greatest, but also not bad. Don't expect anything, much from it, but I figured it might be fun to open up and just kind of see what we got here. I always love barbers. Yeah, some of these look pretty toasty. So that is 1911. Another 1911 in a little bit better shape. 1906. Looks like a 1906D. I always love these barber designs. They're actually one of my favorite. When they're brand new, they're so beautiful. I wish I had only got a few that are in that condition, but I got them put up. So this is a 1907S. $1901, better detail, but it's all scratched up. And again, I expected that. But even in this condition, there is a 1908 New Orleans. You know, they still carry a little bit of a premium over other half dollars. That was in pretty bad shape. 1907 D. 1909. But I must say these are quite toasty. 1897. 1900. 1906. Looks like a D for Denver. 1901. 1908. Here are the kids playing Mario. 1906. Looks like a New Orleans. 1900. Another New Orleans. 1899. Lord knows what that one is. And 1909. Again, always fun to play with. So we also, if I can get them open. Don't know exactly what these are. There's one. There's two. These look like Kennedy halves. The only ones I buy is 64s, so it'll still be 90%. It looks like they're in pretty good condition. That's always a good thing. I guess we can always check a few of these out. Yeah, really good shape. Now, if I'm not mistaken, 64 has a DDO, double die obverse. Can't really check it here, but if you didn't know that, definitely holds a little bit more value. Of course, it depends on the condition, but if you can find one in really, really good shape, and again, that would be a double die obverse DDO. They carry a decent premium, especially in really, really good condition. And these are in much, much better shape. All 1964s. I had to put it under a scope because, again, my eyesight ain't the best. Plus, it's kind of hard to tell looking through the phone. Check that out. Beautiful coins. I'm glad I picked those up. Check out this other stack a little bit. But yeah, just once again hitting up on the 90% because that's more or less the best deals that I'm finding. Outside of a little bit more gold. Planning on getting more silver, but it's hard to turn down when you find a good deal. Definitely got the silver bug. I'm sure a lot of you guys and gals can relate to that. I like to always have something in the mail coming, even if it's just an ounce or two. I always enjoy doing that. But always fun to look at, always fun to hold. So and some of these are in really great shape. Glad to have them, glad to have them. At the very least, that's what, 7, 14, 21 more ounces to the stack, so. Well, just want to thank everybody. I think we're up to 44 subscribers. Means the world, really does. Appreciate it. And we're trying to do a lot of other things that we haven't announced yet, you know, with the website, and got a lot of cool things planned. You know, I've been part of the coin community, not on YouTube, but way back then, and a lot of people end up running across some of our content because we used to post content on hub pages back in 2009, 2010, before a lot of the bullion websites were out, a lot of the coin websites were out. You know, we were talking about coins. So trying to rekindle that, because I love this stuff. I mean, I love stacking silver and gold, but I'm also a collector, and I love collecting coins. I love collecting sports cards and different things like that. In fact, I'll show you something that I got today. I got this, ended up buying this. Of course, it's graded a Gem Mint 10. This is Joe Burrow's Cincinnati Bengal rookie card. I really, really think that he's going to be great. So I'm hoping one of these days that investment will pay off in, 10, 15 years. But again, I love coins. I love stacking. I'm a collector and I love sports too. So we got some things planned for a sports channel, and it's just finding the time to do videos, to do content with, I own 2 businesses now anyway. And I'm always catering to those businesses. So, but I absolutely love this stuff. So I'm gonna let you see another one that I got, which it's tied up. I was going to show it, but it's actually, I don't know if I can't even get that off. There are cards over it. Anyway, that's just a little bit more about me. But back to everybody that's subscribing to the channel again. Really do appreciate it. And we have a lot of videos planned, a lot of content coming out, and you know, just doing a lot of different things. But thank each and every one of you. It's awesome to be a part of the community. I enjoy watching your videos, and I hope you enjoy ours. So, but for all of y'all, appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Be sure to comment, like, share, and all that good stuff. It's always greatly appreciated. Till next time, I'll see you around the corner. Have a good one. Real quickly, I want to go ahead and give Coin Exchange a shout out. I have been buying from them for several years off of YouTube. And when it comes to 90% deals, mainly 90% silver, even though I bought a little bit of other things from them, they always have good deals, and often they're one of the cheapest. So that is Coin Exchange. And they also have a website at coinexchange.com. Just wanted to give them a shout out because I've always found them to have good prices, good competitive prices, fast shipping, and great customer service. So just wanted to put that plug in real quick. They ain't paying me for the video, but I always feel give credit where credit's due. So Coin Exchange, you can find them at coinexchange.com or on YouTube under Coin Exchange. That's their username.